Without self-confidence, life becomes like a lamp with no flame. It may exist, but it can never light anything around it. No matter how talented you are, if fear holds your voice and doubt holds your steps, your true potential stays hidden in the dark. So stay with me till the end, because this story might be the spark that changes your life. Once upon a time, in a quiet mountain village, lived a potter named Ramon. He created the finest clay pots in the region, admired by traders from far and wide. Ramon had 2 daughters, Mira, the elder, gentle but painfully shy, and Kavya, the younger, bold and confident. While Kavya spoke to customers with ease, Mira hid behind shelves, afraid she might say something wrong. People mistook her silence for ignorance. Some mocked her, some pitied her, but she never defended herself. Ramon loved both daughters, but he often scolded Mira. "Confidence is everything," he would shout. "Speak up. Look people in the eye." Each harsh word broke her spirit a little more. She began to believe she was flawed. Even her hands, once steady while shaping clay, started to tremble. Her world shrank into fear. One day, Ramon fell seriously ill. The doctor said, "You must rest. Let your daughters handle everything." Kavya did her best, but a big trading fair was approaching. They needed twice the pots and twice the effort. Mira decided to help, even though she was terrified. At the fair, some sly merchants approached her. "Your father promised us a discount," they lied. "Give us all the pots now. We'll pay later." Scared to question them, Myra agreed. By the time she realized her mistake, all the pots were gone. When Ramon heard what happened, he was crushed. "You've ruined everything. Why can't you be brave for once?" he cried. Those words shattered her completely. That night, overwhelmed by shame, Mira walked toward the high cliffs where people watched the sunrise. But she wasn't there to watch anything. She felt she no longer belonged in this world. Just then, an elderly monk who lived nearby noticed her. "Child," he asked gently, "why are your eyes filled with sorrow?" Mira poured out everything. Her failure, her fear, her lifelong silence, her father's disappointment. When she finished, the monk said softly, "Come with me. Stay in my hut for 3 days. If after that you still believe your life has no value, I will not stop you. But allow me to show you something first." With nothing left to lose, Mira agreed. On the first day, the monk said, "Today you must greet 15 people. Simply say, 'Good morning,' and walk away." Though her heart pounded, she tried. Some ignored her, some stared, some smiled back. By evening, she had greeted all 15. For the first time in many years, she felt a small spark of pride. On the second day, the monk gave her a cracked clay pot. "This pot has carried water for years," he said. "I want you to tell its story to 5 children." Mira panicked. "I can't tell stories," but the monk replied. "They don't know you are shy. They only know you have something to share." With trembling voice, Mira told the children how each crack in the pot showed strength and resilience. The children listened with wonder. She had spoken, and they had listened. On the 3rd day, the monk said, "Now go home. Speak to your father, not with fear, but with truth." Terrified, Mira returned home. She found her father sitting quietly. Gathering all her courage, she said, "Father, I know I've failed many times, but I'm trying. I don't want to live afraid anymore. Please give me one more chance to prove myself." Raymond's eyes softened. He held her close. "My child, I was never angry because you were shy. I was afraid of leaving this world without knowing you could stand on your own. I'm sorry." For the first time, Mira felt understood. With her father's support and the monk's lessons, she slowly stepped into the world again. She learned how to talk to customers, how to negotiate, how to lead. Her voice grew steadier each day. Years later, Mira became one of the most respected traders in the region. The same merchants who once tricked her now respected her strength and honesty. The girl who once lived in the shadows had become a guiding light. Remember this: self-confidence is not something we are born with. It is something we build, step by step. Fear whispers that you are weak, but courage begins the moment you whisper back. The world sees you the way you choose to show yourself. If this story inspired you, please like the video, leave a comment, and share it with someone who needs confidence today. And don't forget to subscribe for more stories like this. Until then, stay brave, stay grateful, and keep moving forward.